What's going on, guys? 3G Racing coming back at you with another video today. Here with my boy Nate. Guys? As you can see, we got the Live Life Fast shirts. I'll put a link to his brand in the bio here. Got a whole bunch of sick stuff, so go check it out. But we're here at Cecil County Dragway for burgers and Burnies today, so let's get right into the action. Alright guys, so we're not even over into the show lot yet. We already have an R32 over here. This thing is gorgeous. Like, huge fan of these cars. My buddy Nick actually has one. Look, right hand drive and everything. He's got the 5-speed in there. Definitely on my bucket list to get one of the R32, R33, R34, but I love those cars. They are beyond gorgeous. Got the second gen Eclipse out here, guys. GST. This thing is gorgeous. I've seen him a couple times over at Hershey and all that, but 4G63 second gen Eclipse. Got a nice drift car next to it too, but this thing is beautiful. Got the Shelby Cobra over here, guys. Really didn't expect to see one of these here. I'm not gonna complain. I've always been a fan of the Shelby. It's one of my dream cars since I was a kid, so this thing is slammed on the ground. We got the Veloster here too, guys. I've been thinking about getting one of these. Got the Lambo doors on there too. Oh, I like these style steering wheels too. I got a whole lot of red cars pulling in now. I just looked over to the side. We got, what is that, Corvette, C7, then we got a Camaro, Mustang, Camaro, and another Camaro. So whole gang's pulling up. Got the LS swap BMW too. That's an M3. What the hell? This thing is crazy. That's not something you see every day. LS swap 325i. That's crazy. It's hilarious. So they got the, I don't know if anybody else watched Phineas and Ferb, but this is Dr. Doofenshmirtz, the balloon right there. It won't stand still. That's funny as his wide body. I was at a Fiesta. That's actually kind of tough. We got a pretty solid turnout coming in here, guys. Here's the red cars plus the Subaru that I showed you earlier. The spectator lot's filling up. Show lot, it's filling up. I got the Burnout cars. Some of them are done with tech. They're all going to be parked right there. But solid turnout of the show so far. Here's one of the Burnout cars here, guys. Twin turbo LS swap Volvo wagon. That thing is crazy. There goes the R32. It's got a Celica rolling in. That thing is rowdy. A whole bunch of cars rolling in, yo. I don't know if these are all Burnout cars or not, but we got a nice 240 here. Got the old Lexus up there. BMW E36, I believe. Alright, I saw another third gen Eclipse roll in, so we're gonna run over here, try to track them down, so see if we can find them. Also, there's a nice Evo up here, so let's go take a look at that too. Got a nice Slam 370 over here too, guys. Big wang on the back. Always been a fan of this body style. 370s, they always hit. Alright guys, I tracked down the Eclipse, and right at the end back here, this shit was slammed too. There it is. It's like it's a, I think it's a GS. But look how low this thing is to the ground. Pretty much on the ground. That's a clean S2K. It's got the hard top on there too. I love that car. That's a really interesting wrap on this Miata here. That's actually tough though. I like it. Jenny. This is a different level of camber right here. Oh my god. That's up there for one of the best cambered cars I've seen. Got some more Burnout competitors here, guys. Got the old S10, the Camaro, and the Mustang. This thing looks rowdy. Sound rowdy. Alright guys, so it's like 12:30 now. We're about 30 minutes out from the action here. I'm so excited to see some burnouts. It's crazy, it's February, it's 50 degrees out. We're having a huge car event out here today, so I'm excited. Spotted another Eclipse out there, guys, rolling up. Also, got the Evo 8 pulling in right now too. That car, it just looks mean. Here's something you don't see every day, guys. Camaro, like 4x4 Camaro out here. This thing is ridiculous. Yeah, here it is. Well, this thing is crazy. That's dope. Got the Subi pulling up here, guys. We got a wide body orange IS300 behind it too, but I really like the color of this Subaru right here. It's got the hatchback too. There's the Mozzie. Oh, I like that Camaro back there too. Is that the Z01? Here's that E30 rolling in here, guys. We got a bunch of nice cars coming out here today. This is quite the day out here at Cecil County. You don't see too many of these at these type of events either. We got a C3 Corvette out here. I've always been a big fan of this body style. We got a nice Del Sol next to it as well, but that's definitely nice to see. Alright guys, we got a Mustang rolling up here now. Hopefully he gets these shows started. That Burnout, so let's see it. Very solid here for the Mustang there, y'all. He let it eat. I don't know how you saw his tread left on this side. There we go, guys. This one should be fun. This car is gorgeous. God, guys, that one was a rip. That was a rip. Oh, his exhaust fell down. Oh, his exhaust? At the end of the car, the exhaust was hanging down there. Yeah, that was a dude. I was hoping he was gonna pop a tire. This was a new tire. That was painful. All the people right there going through it right now. Alright, y'all, we got a 240 rolling up here now. I'm excited to see this one. That's right up there, the Camaro and the Mustang right there. I like that one. That was tough. This thing is clean. I've seen this car a couple times at Maple Grove and stuff. Let's see what Burnout he's got. Alright, here we go. This car is so sexy. That's not where it's supposed to have smoke coming out of. He killed it, dude. That sucks. That sucks. Look at all the fluid. Yeah, it's a bunch of antifreeze dripping. Damn. Oh, man. Worth it. Alright, we're back in action now. We got the Crown Vic rolling up. We had coolant all over the track.
It's got Mustang wheels on it.
Oh, yeah. We got the E36 pulling up now. This thing is mint. Look at the wheels too, though. The front wheels are so nice. I'm a big fan of those E36s, y'all. I'd love to have one day. Oh, we got the Camaro. Let's see. Oh, this is gonna be sick.
Need beer money.
Need beer.
Alright guys, here's that twin turbo LS swap Volvo wagon we took a look at earlier. I can't wait to see what this guy does.
Best thing I've ever seen a Miata do right there. That was tough. That was oh
that Lexus that blew up earlier. I want to see what happened to this thing. Alright guys, that's going to do it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I had an absolute blast here at Cecil County. Burgers and Burnies, Static Struggle. Everybody give them a follow as well. Always a fun meet when they host it. But yeah, as always, make sure to like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see y'all in the next video.